the true only universal religion of love for all mankind. What if I told you that the key to living your best life isn't tied to any man-made religion, confined by rigid punishable rules, but lies in the timeless truths shared by all humanity? Today we will uncover the simple universal path to true happiness and life of purpose. Compassion. This involves the deep desire to relieve the suffering of others, not just through action, but also through understanding their pain. True compassion requires empathy, the ability to put oneself in another's shoes, and acting from the heart to support others in tangible and emotional ways. Kindness. Kindness goes beyond simply being polite. It is about recognizing the humanity in everyone and taking deliberate steps to create joy and comfort. It can manifest as a smile, a helping hand, or simply listening with genuine interest. Humility. True humility is the understanding that one is neither better nor lesser than others. It involves acknowledging our strengths without arrogance and our weaknesses without shame. It also means recognizing that we are part of a greater whole. Forgiveness. Forgiveness is the release of resentment or anger toward others even when wronged. It is a gift we give to ourselves as much as to others, as it frees us from the chains of bitterness and allows us to move forward in peace. Love. Unconditional love transcends personal relationships and includes love for humanity, nature, and existence itself. It calls for acceptance and seeing the divine or inherent value in everything, even in difficult circumstances. Patience. Patience is the ability to endure challenges and delays without frustration. It reflects inner strength and faith in the natural unfolding of events, teaching us to respond to life's trials with grace and understanding. Generosity. Generosity isn't limited to material giving. It also includes offering time, knowledge, and emotional support. It is an acknowledgement of abundance and a desire to share it with others, cultivating a sense of interconnectedness. Courage. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to act despite it. It enables individuals to stand firm in their values, face adversities, and embrace change, all while staying true to their moral compass. Selflessness. Selflessness involves putting the needs of others ahead of one's own desires when the situation calls for it. It's a recognition of the larger picture and acting in ways that benefit the collective good. Wisdom. Wisdom goes beyond knowledge and facts. It's about understanding life's deeper truths and applying them to achieve harmony. It includes discernment, the ability to see the big picture, and aligning actions with universal principles. Golden Rule. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you is a universal teaching found in nearly every major religion. This principle emphasizes empathy and respect for others by encouraging us to treat them as we wish to be treated in return. Unity. All life is interconnected and originates from the same source, whether referred to as God, the universe, or the Tao. This teaching inspires respect and love for all beings, as harming another is seen as harming oneself. Inner peace. True happiness is not dependent on external circumstances, but arises from cultivating peace within oneself. This teaching encourages practices like meditation, prayer, and introspection to achieve a state of inner balance. Mindfulness. Being fully present in the moment helps one appreciate life and act with intention. Mindfulness is central to many practices, reminding us to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment and live authentically. Service. Serving others is seen as a sacred duty and a way to grow spiritually. Whether through charity mentorship or small acts of kindness, service builds connection and fosters personal and collective transformation. Respect for nature. Many spiritual teachings emphasize the sacredness of the natural world. They call for stewardship of the earth, urging us to live in harmony with nature and acknowledge its role in sustaining life. Gratitude. Gratitude shifts focus from what is lacking to what is already present, cultivating contentment and joy. It teaches us to appreciate life's gifts, from simple daily blessings to profound experiences of beauty and love. Self-reflection. Regular introspection allows us to learn from our experiences, recognize our growth areas, and align our actions with higher values. It's a cornerstone of self-awareness and a tool for continuous personal development. Equality. All people are fundamentally equal, regardless of their race, religion, or social status. This teaching inspires us to treat everyone with fairness, dignity, and respect, promoting harmony and justice in society. Spiritual growth. Life is viewed as a journey of learning and evolving, where each experience contributes to spiritual enlightenment. This teaching encourages openness to new ideas and challenges as they serve as opportunities for growth. The greatest legacy we can leave behind is not bound by faith or culture, but by how much love, kindness, and purpose we bring into the world. Live a life so full of goodness that it transcends labels, inspires others, and becomes a beacon of hope for generations to come. This is a truly special milestone, our 100th video of love, learning, and spiritual growth. Each of these 100 productions has been a labor of love, written and produced by Shah Naveen. We are very grateful for every step of this journey and everyone who has joined us along the way. Please support our channel by smashing the subscribe, like, and notification tabs. We love to read your comments. Please visit and share Shah Naveen's channel. See you in our next video.